Yo, what's up fam? Welcome back to the channel, your go-to spot for the freshest real-time crypto airdrops and testnets before they blow up. Let's dive straight into today's drop, because this one's kind of fire. We're checking out the brand new airdrop from the Meteora project. Yes, that's the one everyone on crypto Twitter's been buzzing about lately. All right, so before we farm those sweet tokens, quick rundown, what's Meteora? It's a Solana-based DeFi liquidity hub with dynamic pools and vaults that optimize yields and capital efficiency. Team's been crushing it, and now they're dropping this fat airdrop we've all been grinding for. Okay, check this out. Here's the official tweet from Meteora's verified Twitter account. They just announced their major airdrop event, where you can get between 1,000 and 5,000 MET tokens, depending on your wallet activity. The post includes the official link and also lists the requirements. You need to have an active wallet with some balance to be eligible for this drop. Well, let's move on. I'm heading over to metwave.xyz. Looks clean, nice UI, definitely gives off legit vibes. As we can see, there are currently no MET tokens in my wallet, as I have not yet received the airdrop. Let's see how much I will receive after the airdrop. Before doing anything, make sure your wallet meets their requirements. Be active, have at least some balance, and ideally, some previous interaction on Solana. If you don't meet the criteria, you won't be able to claim the drop. Simple as that. Now I'm gonna hit check eligibility. Next, select a wallet. In my case, it's Trust Wallet, and follow the simple steps. All right, I'm refreshing my wallet real quick. Boom, MET tokens just landed. That's what we like to see. And that's it, guys. Super easy, super quick airdrop from Meteora. No clue how long this thing's gonna stay open. So if you're watching this soon after upload, hurry up and check it out before the window closes. If this video helped you catch another solid airdrop early, drop a like, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. I've got more alpha coming your way real soon. Stay sharp, stay degen, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.